How to change your call ringtone in the Session Private Messenger app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want a different ringtone for incoming calls in Session, then here is how you do it. First of all, launch the Session Private Messenger app on a device. Make sure that you're inside the chat page. After you're in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. And in the settings menu that appears on the screen, select Notifications. Inside Notifications, go ahead and tap on Calls, and on the next page, tap on Sound. Now you can see a couple of different ringtones you can choose from. Choose your preferred ringtones, browse the available tones and tap on one of them to preview. After selecting one of them, tap on Apply and click on OK. Now right after you do that, you will be able to apply a new ringtone for Session. Ask a friend to call you through Session or wait for your next incoming call to hear your new ringtone. So that's how you change your call ringtone in Session. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.